Okay, this is Emmy and Barney's current litter. They're 6 weeks old now and will be ready to go in 2 weeks. That little guy that just came up front here to me, that Roger's going to call back to him. The black lace boy right there by his foot now is available. We are waiting on hearing if a decision is made on the olive green boy, who is also by his foot on the left now, playing with the toy. Let's see, the little girl here with the pinkish ribbon, that's Berry Girl, and we have reserved her. The little light colored guy that just came up to the front here is going to Alaska to a wonderful missionary family up there who have been doing a wonderful job for the Lord, and we are very excited for them to have that little boy. He's a kind of golden apricot color. It's behind Roger, coming around right here now. Yeah, it's a cutie pie. So again, the apricot boy coming to me right now with the black lace ribbon is available. The olive green boy, who is right there by Roger, he's petting him, has been spoken for. We're waiting on a final decision. Final decisions are made normally at 5 weeks, but we're holding to see him because of different technical difficulties. And there you have Emmy and Barney's litter, 6 weeks old. Very, very cute. Very nice coats. Light blue boy is extremely curly little guy. Here he comes right now. He's going to be, he is a teddy bear boy. And the others actually are wavy coated, but they have such thick plush coats you can't tell too much difference between them and the curly boy right now. They're all going to be wonderful little puppies, little dogs.